So now we're gonna do an outer curve stitch and then adding a top stitch to it. So again, we're gonna put two good sides together, and then at a 1/2 inch, we're going to put our item in, and then we're gonna sew and then back tack. And we're holding down the pieces so they don't move. Following that curve, making sure you're following that 1/2 inch line. So it looks like this. Now we're going to make our slashes. Now we're going to trim it. Now you're going to flip it over, and then you're going to press it down with the iron. So now we're going to do a top stitch, and we're just going to do basically an edge stitch, which is just sewing right on the edge all the way following that curve. Put it in about 1/8. Back tack and follow that curve all the way to the end. And now you have your top stitch curved.